Alright, so I'm gonna shoot my intro here because I realized that at the dam it's really loud and it's terrible. There's people over there, which is fine. We're gonna do some worm fishing slash cut bait. I totally forgot the corn, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to catch a carp or two. I did pack a sandwich. I might just end up taking that bread and using it as bait. But it's hot out again. It's muggy. The water actually looks a lot dirtier than before, so we'll see how it goes. Stay tuned. We'll figure something out. It's not deep enough. Oh. Got him. Got a largemouth. Sure wasn't deep enough. They're way at the bottom. That's a nice one. Oh, jeez. It's a nice small one. Jeez, that's a nice small one. There we go. Yeah, that's a nice smallie. That's a real nice smallie. Nice. Nice smallie. Wow, look at that. It's a fatty. Back to back, big bass. Jeez. Dang, I just caught a bluegill and I wasn't even recording. Check it out. He's bait, so I'm just using worm, man. Nothing fancy at all. Small piece of worm on a small hook. Oh, dude, nice rock bass. Oh, jeez. Big old rock bass. I mean, he's too big for a cut bait, so we're gonna let him go. Oh, jeez. I mean, the scale, not the skin, but you want the scale off, right? It's nice and clean for you to hook it. Should be enough right there. Hook it on a hook here, and I'm gonna change out the battery when I cast this thing out. I want to catch a smaller bluegill and use the head because the head just works so much better than the body. It's like little fish nicking at it. Oh, it's a largemouth. Another one. Haha, yeah. It's a nice largemouth. Oh, he swallowed it. Oh, barely hooked. Nice. There you go. Come back. Oh, big old rock bass. Jeez. Look at the size of this thing. Wow, dude. It's huge. Look at that. Oh. Big bluegill, yeah. So I need right here. Haha. There you go. Oh jeez, and it falls. He's not big, but it's a good size. I'm gonna use the head, that's for sure. So, yeah, buddy, you're gonna be bait. I'm gonna use the head because the head attracts more bigger fish. Yep, just gonna let it sit in there. Oh, dude, it's freaking rolling. Oh, it ripped it off. It ripped off the head. Oh my gosh. It ripped off the head, dude. What? Oh shoot, there's fish in there. Dang. Oh, oh, oh. Yep, he's eating it. He's eating it. He's eating it. Let me eat it. There he goes. Got him. Yep, I got him. Oh, it's a bowfin. Jeez. It's a freaking bowfin. Oh my gosh. Oh no, it popped off. Ah. Damn, it popped off. I'm so scared to turn my back now, dude. Like, that was intense. I gotta set the hook way harder than that. Jeez. Holy smoke, we're freaking, whoo, crazy. Oh, dude, I got two fish on. What the heck? Oh, I got a bullhead. What the heck? Oh, dude, I got a bullhead. Fish pulling my bigger rod. Got him. Yep. That's a big bowfin. Oh, shit. It broke me off. Oh my gosh, dude, bowfin's huge. Oh, it popped off again. I can't pin him. Dang, man. I can't freaking pin the fish. It's a big old bowfin. I should use this guy as bait. Go ahead and sharpen my hook real quick. It's not dull, it's just, I just want it to be like extra mega sharp, you know? Oh, we got a perch. Come on, take it, take it, take it, take it, take it. You see it? You see it? Got him. Jeez. Nope, bowfin. I don't want to rip off. Oh, jeez. Jeez. They're so freaking strong, dude. I couldn't do much to the fish, but that's a bowfin right there. I had to cut the hook off of his face right there. But that's a nice. These fish are native, dinosaur basically. They are not trash fish, but they are dangerous. They do lock their jaw, they bite you, so you don't want that. We're gonna go ahead and release it. Gosh. Yep. There you go. Finally, guys. Finally caught the dinosaur fish we're looking for. Well, I wasn't recording, but I got another one. Gee, look at his mouth, dude. Man. I was not recording. I just went to drop off my rod and then dude freaking snatched it. Big ass bowfin. Dude, his freaking mouth is broken. Well, here's another one, guys. Another It's so scary, dude, because they what they do is they clamp their mouth really hard together and they kick real bad. Their head is like freaking, their head is like freaking rock, dude. Like, it's so freaking solid. There you go. That's a bowfin right there. If you guys can see it, the shading's kind of bad, but look at the head. It's like a freaking dinosaur, dude. That's so crazy. Alright, I'm gonna release it. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Got him. We got another one, guys. Jeez, fight so hard. Oh, dude, this guy's green. Nice. Death roll, death roll. Yep. Oh, jeez, almost lost my rod. There we go. Woo! Look at that guy. Man, look at that. Ain't that something? Alright, here we go. Around the corner of the lip, too. Whoa, jeez! Man, I should have brought a net, but then when you bring a net, you don't catch anything, you know? Try to keep the fish over here, keep the action over here. You're freaking goner, bro. Yep, right there. Just let him chill. Relax. He's all dirty, but that's what it is right there. Nice freaking bowfin, dogfish. The mission is, look at the color on the belly. It's crazy. Jeez. Really shot of him. Look at this. Look at the greenness of it. Look at that. Isn't that the coolest thing? Look at him. He's ready to go. I thought he was gonna jump. What the freak? Big ass bass, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, dude. Big ass bass. Yeah. What the heck? So random. Off this tiny jig. Bobber, warm, big bass. Check this out, right here. That's a nice bass. Ain't that crazy? Gee, it's a nice little 2.5, pushing 3 is so freaking girthy. That's insane. Wow. All right. Wow. This is what we're looking for right here. Yeah. Hell yeah. There we go. Holy smoke. It's a nice green guy. Super acrobatic, man. Just let him be. Let him be. Yeesh. Whack you in the face. Got him. Jeez. Wow, look at that. Nice color. Yeah. Huh? No, I only got one. Yeah. No, you good, man. Yeah, you good. Yeah. Yeah, yep. The heck? I catch a bowfin off of the bobber and more. Oh my goodness, look at that, right on the lip. Broke me off.